Welcome to my garage. Today we're going to try and get these bolts out. These are Allen key bolts. They are really rusty. I've got a tip. I've got a trick. Whether it works or not is another thing, but in theory I think that this does work. But what I'm worried about is the inside of each of these Allen key bolts rounding out. So I don't even know what size these are because they're that rusty. 4. That fits in. Now let's just see if we can get one done. Without rounding it out. Oh, that's tight. Oh, it's coming undone. But I can feel that it was on the edge of letting go. Neat trick using this to help get rusty bolts. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment to Teddy T MTB. You can see all that rust in there, which has come out with the force of me trying to move these bolts. So that one has come out, but it could have been another story. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment to Teddy T MTB. Piece of paper, kitchen roll, like that. And what I do is I put it over and find the hole and push it down nice and gently. So you're taking the paper down the side and giving you a more secure purchase on the sides of the bolt. And that one came out really easy. And didn't destroy or take away anywhere as near as much material as the previous bolt. Let's do it again. So that one's probably the worst. Let's have a look at that. Find the hole. Ooh. Push it down, just waggle it in so you take it down the sides of the bolt hole, or the hex bolt head, and then you can just tight it. Okay. Doesn't feel like it's going to slip, don't feel any movement. Allows a little bit more, so I'll try that again without. And this is a quite well good fitting Allen key, but you can still see there's still quite a bit of play in that bolt. So that slip there is what allows the stripping of the sides of the Allen key head. Put the paper in. straight through there. Oh, we've got paper stuck at the bottom. That does happen. Get that out with something sharp. Easily push it down, kind of. See there now, there's not as much movement. Still some. So this is the problem. You've got to be able to push the Allen key down into the hole without cookie cuttering the paper. So you've got to be really gentle. Sometimes what's best to do is to push it down with a smaller Allen key. So we're already in there. That feels a lot more secure. Oh, wasn't particularly tight. And now we're moving. 4 rusty bolts. See, that's how it should look. You're taking it down and you fill in the gaps. 4 rusty bolts, not a hint of tearing up the bolt head, and these are quite rusty. I've never seen this before anywhere. Something I've made up from my head, and I'm calling this idea. I'm going to call it torque paper because it transfers the torque of the Allen key better to the bolts in most applications. To be fair, it's better with bigger bolts than these smaller bolts, but something I've used. It's a great success without having the frustration of stripping the bolts. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment to Teddy T MTB.